Yeah, we're back at it. Haven't done a video in a little while. I figured I'd record this. Probably have to do a lot of editing and whatnot. A lot of noise in the background. Super hot today. What we're working on here is a 4L60 that I built probably a year ago. Did a pretty good amount of upgrades in this thing. Got a 16-year-old, 17, four-wheel drive. He drove it like he was a John Force borrowing someone's pickup. Anyway, that's what we're working on here. Basically just going to start disassembly. Do a little disassemble on it, try to see exactly what went wrong. If I'm guessing, I'm saying he toasted the 3/4 clutch pack. That or got a servo, or the servo messed up. Maybe an accumulator because it was stuck in second gear, I believe. Every now and again you could kind of throttle whop it a little bit and get it to shift, but other than that it would just want to stay locked in first or second. When you could get it to a correction, it was stuck in first. Every once in a while you could get it to shift to second, but it would just immediately shift back down into first gear with just light hesitation on the pedal. I know a lot of people, it's the shift solenoid, shift solenoid. I put two different sets, ran into the GM, changed the fluid filter, plenty of line pressure in it. I had the pan off. You could kind of see the band, but it didn't look bad enough to say that the band was toast. But anyway, y'all stick around, we'll dive into this thing.